In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to combine numbers and text in Google Sheets on desktop. This is great for creating labels like order number 123, building summaries such as total $45, or turning raw data into friendly, readable sentences without changing your original numbers. Start by opening your Google Sheet on desktop in your browser. Once your sheet is open, click the cell where you want the combined result to appear. This will be your output cell, and everything we do will display there while your original numbers stay untouched in their own cells. Now, let's write a simple formula that joins text and a number. In Google Sheets, you place any text you want to display inside quotation marks, and you use the ampersand symbol to join that text with a number from another cell. For example, if your order number is in A2, you could type order number in quotes, then use an ampersand, and then reference A2. It would look like order number and A2. If you want a space or punctuation, include it inside the quotes, like total and B2. The ampersand is simply the glue that combines pieces together. Press Enter, and you'll see the text and the number merged into one clean line in the same cell. Your result is dynamic too. If the number in the source cell changes, your combined text updates instantly. If the source cell is empty, you'll just see the text portion until a number appears. If you need the same pattern for a list, you can apply the formula to multiple rows. Hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of the formula cell, then drag it down to fill the cells below. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. If there's a cell reference you never want to shift, turn it into an absolute reference by adding dollar signs, like $2, so it stays fixed as you drag. A quick formatting tip. When you combine text with numbers, the numbers display formatting may not carry over. If you're working with dates or currency and want the exact display, you can convert the number to a formatted text string with the text function. For example, wrap a currency value like B2 with text B2 $0 so your result reads exactly the way you expect. And that's how you combine numbers and text in Google Sheets on desktop. Open your sheet, select the output cell, type your quoted text and join it with a cell using the ampersand, press Enter, and drag down to reuse the pattern.